Falalas fam, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Maru, lifestyle blogger and content creator, and here on the channel I share all things home decor, beauty, fashion, and so much more. Heavy on the home organization and decor, as some of you may know. In today's video, we'll be focusing on fall dining room decor, and I'm so excited because I'll be combining old and new pieces. Also super excited that we're finally coming to an end of our fall home series. This season, I knew that I wanted to try out a long runner, and I'm so glad that I found the perfect neutral linen ivory tone color because it's the perfect base for all of the neutral items that I'm layering on my dining room table this season. I decided to add the stemless glasses in lieu of the glasses that I'm actually still waiting on, but I actually like the way this turned out. So stay tuned for an update to my glassware, stemware for Thanksgiving when this table is really drenched out. And y'all, I kid you not, the day that I was recording this video, I received these beautiful woven placemats from my cousin Cara, who traveled to St. Lucia and was so generous, so gracious, so sweet to bring them back. I'm putting them here on my sideboard to use sparingly in the kitchen, on the kitchen island, or in the living room if I decide to go over to the couch and eat, or I could just swap out my chargers after the holidays and use these. I just want them out at all times because of the shape. They're very ornate and unique, and they need to be seen. So thank you so much, cuz they're perfect. And y'all, look at how they match my color scheme. Woo! And now for the final reveal. Thank you so much for watching, but stay tuned because there's more to come.